Hello everyone. Right, today we'll be doing the bank reconciliation. Yes, and what is this uh, about? Yeah, this is a comparison of transactions of bank statement as supplied by the bank with the organization's own accounting records at a particular point of time is called bank reconciliation. Yes. And what happens is that a record of comparison will result in two figures. And that's what happens that the balance as per bank book and balance as per company's book so derived will be different. So we have to reconcile. Okay. So now we find that what we do is that uh, over here we first create a company, and how we create a company I will show you. We go to the company info and I have show you how I have already created it to save time. So River Bank Traders are made, and this has been entered the name over here, River Bank Traders. Press enter, come to the next line. Over here you can put down any address of your kind, country, state, and we just made the date, financial year starting from 1/4/2022. And then after this is done, so we go down like this, and we will be accepting the particular company. So once the company is made, so we once you create the company, what we'll be doing is that we have to open some of the company books. Yes. So what are the books that are there? That is a ledger. Where to do? So come back over here and create some ledgers. So company info come out, and we do create some ledgers by going to the accounting info that is in the gateway of Tally. So once you go to the accounting info, you see that I've created the particular ledgers, and the ledgers are bank charges, the cash is by default created, commission expenses, and this is falling under, see how I do the create the ledger, then it falling under the indirect expenses. Yes. And then after doing this we go to the particularly commission and expenses, that also indirect expenses we put down over here, you can find. And then uh, we can like this we create the bank account also. Okay. And we have opened made the balance as 20,000 there. Yes, you can see the 20,000 is there. Okay, we have created a bank balance, opening balance, and this is the particular bank account. HDFC Bank will be under the bank account, that's the current assets. And once you do these things, we are now, even the telephone expenses there, so there it is, this is an indirect expense. Okay, now once we come out of this thing one, now how do we actually make the particular thing? After we do the ledger, we just go to the ledger books, and if you go to the ledger books, we can find from the ledger books over here, we can go to the display, and we can go to the accounts books, and there's where there is a cash bank books, we can press enter and find out that we have already created the particularly HDFC Bank, their balance as 20. So the bank is having a 20 amount, and we have made something that has not been reflected there, and that we'll be finding out. So we found that, and for that reason we will reconcile the opening balance, since the balance as per the bank statement is 12,000, and we will now input the entries which have not been reflected in the passbook statement. Okay, and now let's go to the gateway of Tally. So gateway of Tally, so come out from here and go to gateway of Tally. This is the gateway of Tally. Will come by coming to the quit option. There we come, and we go to the banking where the particularly you will find the bank reconciliation is there. Yes, here it is, bank reconciliation, and there we go to the HDFC Bank. So list of bank ledger, we get the first, we are just trying to find out in the HDFC Bank. We press enter and made these entries. We find that if you go down over here, balance as per company books is 20,000 balance company books, because company has deposited 20,000, but amount not reflecting in the bank is 10 and 2,000 from here. So now you see balance as per the bank is showing 12,000. So here is the discrepancy. The balance as per the bank you find over here, and here we find that the you find that the voucher type was this, and the check was given like this, and an instrument was on this date. So this was not reflecting over here. And if you open the click over here, you find over here unreconciled details for HDFC Bank. So this has not been reconciled, that is unreconciled details. So you find that the Blue Diamond deposit is there, and you find the instrument number is there. What is not reconciled, and a bank, according to the bank, there is nothing updated here. So this is a scenario. So here you find the balance as per bank is 12,000 over here, but the balance as per company's book is 20,000. Yes. So you come out from here by putting the escape. Yes. And now if we want to reconcile this, we can put down over here as we can make it as one. We can make this one. If we make 1 4, if we make 1 4, 22 we give over here, you find that that has been accepted by that, and that has been reconciled. How we reconcile the thing, and over here also we put down 1 4, so that it has been reconciled in the as per the bank date. Hyphen you give 4, hyphen you give 4, yes, and 22 we can put down, and it will take the date as I'm trying to reconcile. Yes, and bring that. So once I reconcile, I accept, and I find that when I go over here, there is a bank, and press enter, so it has been reconciled, so nothing is there for the reconciliation. So bank balance as per bank, as per the particular amount, not reflecting, it's reflecting, so the particular balance as per the company's book and the balance as per bank is equal now. So it has been reconciled. Hope it is clear to you and you understand the thing. Okay, so whenever you go there and try to go to this, and you even open the BRS, you find over here it is done, and here the balance will be accepted. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for this tutorial, and hope you will understand how you reconcile and from where we go and how you do that. So thank you.